Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enable CDN in Hostinger. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Hostinger account and open the H panel. From there, go to the Websites section and choose the site you want to optimize. Click on the dashboard link next to it. Now look at the left sidebar and find the option labeled Performance or CDN. The exact label may vary, but it will be under the Performance settings. Once inside, you'll see the CDN status section. This shows if your CDN is currently active or not. To enable it, just click the Enable button. Hostinger will then connect your website to its content delivery network. Once enabled, your site's content will be distributed across multiple servers worldwide. This reduces loading times for visitors regardless of their location. Keep in mind, CDN is only available on the business hosting plan or higher, and your domain must be pointed to Hostinger's name servers for it to work. So that's basically how you can enable CDN in Hostinger. That's it for this video. Thanks.